Welcome back students to my CBSE YouTube channel, and here is Virendra, and today in this chapter I'll cover your second part of your glimpse of India, and the second part is Kurg, and that is written by Lokesh Abrol, and this is a short summary and that is explained by Virendra. So let's start it from the very beginning. Welcome back students. So here is about the author. So let's read this one. Lokesh Abrol is a renowned director by profession. He established the first specialty hospital in the private sector in Gurgaon. He is also social worker. Lokesh Abrol is also an established writer. The present essay on Kurg highlights his sharp observation and the ability for graphic description of the wonderful land called Kurg. And I hope you will like this one very good. So my dear friends, let's start it from the very beginning. Welcome back students. So here is an introduction about the chapter. So let's see. The lesson gives us a beautiful insight of the smallest district of Karnataka and its people. The place has an amazing weather throughout the year with enough rain during the monsoon season. The people of Kurg, yes my dear friends, the people of Kurg are known to be one of the bravest. Coffee is the main crops grown in this region. A variety of animals can be found here, while the place is surrounded by beautiful Brahmagiri Hills, island and Tibetan settlements. So let's move on. Welcome back students. So here is a summary. This is the first summary of this chapter. So let's start it. Kurg is a place so beautiful that seems like a piece of heaven has drifted away from God's kingdom and has settled on the earth. It's somewhere between Mysore and Bangalore. It's an area with low hills of unequal height. The men are brave warrior. The women of Coog are pretty. The place has a variety of wild animals too. So let's move on. Welcome back students. So here is a next summary. So let's see. Also known as a Kodgu. It's one of the smallest districts of Karnataka, and 30% of the area of Kurg is covered with evergreen rainforest, and the place receives rain for the most parts of the year, especially during the monsoon season. The period from September to March is ideal for visiting Kurg. The weather is pleasant and there is some rain which makes it worthwhile. The air is filled with the strong fragrance of the coffee due to the abundant coffee plantation. So let's move on. The people of Kurg are believed to be of Greek or Arabic origins and are generally ferocious. This theory came into being because of their dressing style. They are generally seen wearing long and black coat with embroidered red waist belt known as a kupia. Kupia is similar to the kufia worn by Arab and Kurt. It's also rumored that some people of the Alexander's army could not return to their homeland and so settle there while returning from the south. The people of Kurg marry each other, and their culture as well as ritual are very different from the ones followed by Hindu. The people are very welcoming and warm in nature. They are always ready to entertain with the story of their ancestors. They are known to be independent, ferocious and brave, which is evident from the fact the Kurg regiment in the Indian Army has received the maximum number of awards for bravery. So let's move on. Yes, my dear friends, the first chief of the Indian Army named General Karfia belongs to Kurg. Also, these are the only people permitted to carry firearms freely, unlike others who need a license. This shows that the Kurgis are reliable. So, the evergreen, yes, my dear friends, the evergreen forest and hill of Kurg provides water to river Kaveri, a major, a major river in South India. A large freshwater fish called mahasir is found in this water and is looked for by the birds and squirrels, and langur plays in these waters by throwing half-eaten fruits, whereas elephants enjoy bathing in it. Yes, my dear friends, the tourists who visit Kurg to relax in the natural beauty of the place also get a taste towards the various adventures sports activities available like a river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountains climbing. These hills, yes, my dear friends, the hills have various paths formed by footsteps of walkers who treks there. While taking a walk in their region, one may find a variety of animals around them. Birds, bees, and butterflies fly around you, while squirrels and langur keeps an eye on you from the trees. Wild animals can also be found in Kurg. So let's move on. To have an overlook at the beautiful city of Cook, one must climb up to the Brahmagiri Hills. Cook is surrounded by stunning places of beauty like the island of Nisargadamu and Black Kupi. Yes, my dear friends, Black Kupi, which is India's largest Tibetan settlement. Monks wearing red, orange, and yellow colored garments can also be found in the district of Kurg. Whether their lifestyle is a fascinating view for the traveler. A mix of diverse cultures can be seen here, which represent the heart and soul of India. So, my dear friends, I hope you are getting this one, and this one is written in a simple sentences, and I hope you are having fun with me. So, my dear friends, it's over for today, and see you again in the next video. Till then, have a fun and bye bye. Have a good day.